Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can blur your background in Instagram story. First you want to click on your story at the top and then click on where it says camera. Once you're inside camera, at the bottom you can see all this different kind of filter. So from over here, scroll all the way to the side until you see this search option. Once you see it, click on it. Now from over here, what you want to do is you want to search for the camera option called blur. So for this, you can see the search icon at the left corner, the small one. Click on it and just search for BLUR, blur. Once you search for blur, it's going to show you different kind of blur. You can choose whichever blur you want, but I will just go for the first one. And as you guys can see, this is basically what the blur is going to look like. It's going to blur my entire thing. Or you can also switch to other filter if you want the other version, but there's different kind of blur. You can use whichever blur you want, but I will go with this one. So after I choose the blur over here, at the top I can click a photo using this. So as you guys can see, now I can just click a photo and now the background is blurred. Now what I can do is add anything I want over here, a text, or I can even just add a little sticker over here, anything, but doesn't matter, the background is blurred. Now I can click on the little arrow at the bottom right and click on share, click on done, and my Instagram story has been shared with its background blur. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, want to step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.